Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Long Gusta, and in today's video I will be talking about how to avoid getting into an accident on your motorcycles. What's typically happen is that those very common motorcycle accident is when you go on a straight line. There's a car on the other side of the lane, and all of a sudden it just merged into your lane, and you can't avoid that type of accident because it just happened so fast. And I will give you guys an example in just a minute, but I will give you solutions on how to avoid these type of accidents. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe as well. And this is going to be a pro tip, really helpful tips. I'm on my GSXR 1000R, beautiful bike here. And here we go. So what typically happens is that let's say you're going wetland. So let's see, what typically happens is that you see that car is pulling out right there. Well, if it pulls out like that, you have to keep your full awareness of your surrounding as well, because usually when car pulls out in front of you, that's how most accidents happen. It's when other people negligent, other people, they don't pay attention. So it's your responsibility to pay attention to other people. And here, oh god damn, look at the back of this car. Sheesh, like somebody has smashed into it. So what I usually like to do to avoid people switching lanes into me, let's say for example, if I'm in this lane, right, I stay all the way to the left, side of the lane that I'm in. So in case that car right there decided to switch lane to the left, I'll have enough space for me to avoid the collision, like I'll have enough time to avoid that accident. But don't stay over here on this side, because when you stay on this side and that car decided to switch lanes, you're not gonna have enough time to avoid it. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Pro tips: always stay on the right side of your lane, just in case these people that are not paying attention. A lot of people are not really living in the present moment. They're not really paying attention to the surrounding at all. Some of these people are in a hurry because early morning, people got to go to work, so they're in a hurry. Also, if you right side in the rain, also I can't even talk correctly right now. Also, if you stay on the right side of the lane, if someone is speeding, and you can avoid someone rear-ending you as well. Because if someone is like not hitting the brakes at a proper time, they won't hit you directly, you know. You won't be end up getting sandwiched between the two cars. That's a, yeah, really good tip I got for right now. And what's other pro tips I got? I'll come up with. Yeah, make sure you implement and execute that strategy that I just showed you. Make sure you implement that into your riding. And always be aware of other cars around you. Always pay attention to other cars around you. And sometimes, you know, when you're riding your motorcycle, you really like you're in the moment, you know, you're not really paying attention. But if you're riding your bike, you gotta be full alert. Your brain has to be working on 100% capacity. Also, allow exhaust also helps other people, help attract their attentions. So that way they can hear you before they see you. I'm trying to think of other advice I can give you guys on how to ride safe. How to be safe on your motorcycle as well is to not speed, you know, to not go crazy speeding everywhere. You only speed on suitable roads that are proper for you to speed on. You know, you don't want to be speeding on like a busy streets or any type of streets. You don't want to be speeding everywhere, you know. And keep your ego in check as well. Keep your ego in checks. What I mean by that is keep your tempo low and calm and relaxed. Keep your brain in a delta state. Not in a fight or flight state, but in a calm and relaxed state of mind when you're riding. It helps you overall with your thinking process. And help you avoid just help you avoid getting into like consequences and atrocities. And oh yeah, always warm up your tires first before you start riding aggressively. Because if you don't warm your tires up, you can slide. Like your front tire could slide when you go around corners, and that could lead to really bad sliding accidents. I don't know if you've seen those videos where people just hugging the corners and all of a sudden their front tire just slid and their whole motorcycle just flipped. Yeah, I know. Riding these bikes is so dangerous. It's like there's a lot of things that you have to put in considerations. Wow, it's a nice view. Nice little scenic lake view. Warm up those tires, boys. And when I say warm up, I don't mean like do a burnout or anything like that. You know, warm up, I mean like just ride around non-aggressively for like the first 10 minutes of your ride. You want to be like chill and just, you know, just warm up those tires. You know, let the streets, the heat on the streets, warm them up. And then after that, you can have some fun. But yeah, I hope this tips helps. Make sure you guys are, you know, wearing full gear as well. I know I know I don't have gloves today. I forgot my gloves, but the proper way to ride is to have on full gear in case something happen. You know, today is actually a really nice day to ride. Really nice day to be out and ride. It's not too hot, not too cold. I also ride every morning as well, as a coffee in the morning type of vibes. My bike is not fully warmed up yet. This one thing I noticed about my GSXR is that it takes a while for this bike to warm up. But once it warms up, it runs like so much better than when it's cold. But yeah, I hope this pro tips help you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Me and Sonic, we're out.